But Judge Lope, we've seen a whole lot of infighting within Umkhonto Wesizwe.
Yes.
I don't know how many times you've changed your Secretary General and so on. From an outsider, I do see a bit of a lot of instability that's happening internally. What do you think causes that? Is it ideological differences? Is it power struggles?
Definitely not. Sorry, I'm sorry to be rude.
Yes.
Definitely not ideological. We must all sing from the same hymn book. But I will explain this. NgesiXhosa.
Yes.
Mawuhamba uyoloba uthatha inet ufake olwandle.
Yes.
Izawuphuma nenhlanzi. Izawuphuma neyononkala. Izawuphuma nenyoka. As well as the plastics nenkukuma ekhona olwandle. In other words, a net wouldn't come out with just a fish. Right? You are putting a net, it's wide.